Chillin' with my G's on a sunny days. Everybody lay back, smoke some weed. We'll pop a bottle, baby, we could all get tipsy. But all that really matters that you're here with me. Chillin' with my G's on a sunny days. Everybody lay back, smoke some weed. We'll pop a bottle, baby, we could all get tipsy. But all that really matters that you're here with me. Chillin' with my G's on a sunny days. Everybody lay back, smoke some weed. We'll pop a bottle, baby, we could all get tipsy. But all that really matters that you're here with me.
Damn, hey yo, I love these lovely days. All of the homies in one spot, plus we paid. Got money in my pocket, no worries, ain't no problems. Hoochies in the house, spitting game and dig 'em out. And grab some licks so we can sit, man. Light another split, man. Pass it my way so that I can get a hit, man. Ain't nothing better than chillin' with the homies. And on a sunny day, I kill a park, kicking and barbecuing. All the things that we be doing, all the shit that we been through. And never wanted to be ruined. Always understand that I like to kick it drunk and high. Only with the homies, why? I can do whatever I like, no matter dead or alive. I'm gonna be living my life until the day that I die. I did it all for my life. Don't even ask me why. Just as long as you're down to ride, let the day pass by. We gon' kick it tonight, yeah.
Chillin' with my G's on a sunny days. Everybody lay back, smoke some weed. We'll pop a bottle, baby, we could all get tipsy. But all that really matters that you're here with me. Chillin' with my G's on a sunny days. Everybody lay back, smoke some weed. We'll pop a bottle, baby, we could all get tipsy. But all that really matters that you're here with me.
Good times glistening, wood grain pimping, living life, lunch level blazing out, pop a bottle, my motto. Picture perfect laying lotto every day in the summer, winter, spring, or fall. Cashing out the cases, partying, implicating, make moves unlimited. Assisted to the basket, precision like Vita for percussion in the hood of the public. Got me zoned out, tossed up, you can call me baller. Let's blaze and keys a baller. Get the switch and smoke a river, chillin' with my G's. Tipsy on the scene, shipping on the tees. Probably eye for the youth, guarantee we stay chillin'. Rice, wine, and weed, real blazing, barbecue pasting. Slap another slab, mean salt and pick it lake. Steady throttle on the waves, catch a bastards on the base. Every week of the year, I got my mind made up, illin' paper chasing, sliding with the measurements, cruise to the nightlife.
Everybody lay back, smoke some weed. We'll pop a bottle, baby, we could all get tipsy. But all that really matters that you're here with me. Chillin' with my G's on a sunny days. Everybody lay back, smoke some weed. We'll pop a bottle, baby, we could all get tipsy. But all that really matters that you're here with me.
I ain't shit without my triggers. We on the rise, but this time we gon' kick it. All through the night, when I ride, I'd rather ride with my dog. We could kick it here, in the club, in the bar. We could get the smoke, chicken, I get the liquor. Holla at my girls, G's, I get you hooker. We in the place to be, I would love to give a toast for all my real chickens out there holding it down. You all know, I keep the party poppin' cause the liquor don't stop. Plus the liquor don't stop till your ass drop. And we can bump the music all day, non-stop. All my ladies in the spot, won't you show me what you got? Forget about your man, baby, you can crawl on top. Know that I like, baby girl, when your body rock. Me and my homie cool as hell, we don't bite. Come and get some love, we gon' party all night.
Chillin' with my G's on a sunny days. Everybody lay back, smoke some weed. We'll pop a bottle, baby, we could all get tipsy. But all that really matters that you're here with me. Chillin' with my G's on a sunny days. Everybody lay back, smoke some weed. We'll pop a bottle, baby, we could all get tipsy. But all that really matters that you're here with me.
Chillin' with my G's, no other place to be. Minnesota, TC. The liquor got me crunk, blaze the tree. Ride the stump, got my weed. Drink till you're drunk. With my G's, ladies never front. Now with my team, box me if you want. I show you what I mean. My east side boys, we be like dogs. But for now we off, chillin' like we lost. Feeling like a boss, kill them just because. Ladies wanna touch, families with us. Ladies show us love, maybe it's because we just love the bust, tool and kill the cut. Fool, you ain't skills like Bud, Joe is ill like what? I can't be real like slugs, I am killed, but now I chill because highly skills on the real, we will kill your thugs, but for now, just chill, it's love.
Chillin' with my G's on a sunny days. Everybody lay back, smoke some weed. We'll pop a bottle, baby, we could all get tipsy. But all that really matters that you're here with me. Chillin' with my G's on a sunny days. Everybody lay back, smoke some weed. We'll pop a bottle, baby, we could all get tipsy. But all that really matters that you're here with me. Chillin' with my G's on a sunny days. Everybody lay back, smoke some weed. We'll pop a bottle, baby, we could all get tipsy. But all that really matters that you're here with me. Chillin' with my G's.
G. Only got one chance to get it, so let's go, it's D.O.D. Forget all my enemies when I pop up on the scene. They ain't see me at my lowest, had $1 in the drink. Let's go. I done work way too hard, really had to get it, and I got a few scars. Late nights for the weight rights on a make nights. I was in the cut like a motherfucking steak knife. They can never take it that he ain't nice. They can never take it that he ain't right. Don't tell me that I never wanted. I mixed it and mastered it all on the same night. I done some bad, I ain't innocent, but I'll never name all the incidents. You better know what the mission is. Tryna change family predicaments. Ever since I was a grinder, bitches been acting like Wanda, making my wishes come true. I hated to switch my designer. I don't trust ya, baby, I don't trust ya. You only got one chance. If you fuck up, then you fucked up. Baby girl, you fucked up. You gon' cry, you gon' see me on my come up. They say it ain't my time. How you know there's a mountain I'ma climb? Fuck my foes, I done came up from the dirt. The shit I've been through hurt, but now I'm chasing diamonds. Ain't no other place but first. I came so far, now I can't stop. This for the city and this for the block, yeah, yeah. I've been through hell, yeah, yeah. Took a few L's, yeah, yeah. Still on my grind, yeah, yeah. Still in my prime, yeah, yeah.
I've been out here on my grind. Eat that rollie cause I think it's about my time. Young nigga put it all on the line. Been through the dark, so I gotta shine. I remember I was down, ain't nobody help. Paranoid, so the 40 by the Gucci belt. I don't need nobody, I could do it by myself. Driver and a shooter, I can put you on the shelf. And I lost so many niggas. I stay strapped up with them triggers. And I'm tryna make these figures. Been the reasons all I got inside these pictures. Hit the dough, switch the flow.